Use your monitor arm to its full potential by utilizing these 6 key movements: extension and retraction, raise or lower, rotate, pivot, tilt, slide. In general, your monitor should be positioned about 18 to 30 inches away. For most users, the best distance for an average size monitor is about 1 arm's length away. To set the distance of the monitor, hold the monitor casing with 2 hands and push gently forward to extend the monitor arm or gently backward to retract the monitor arm. For best ergonomic support, the top of the monitor casing should be 2 to 3 inches above eye level. Ideally, your neck should not tilt up or down to view the monitor display. Most of ESI's monitor arms offer dynamic height adjustment. With tension properly adjusted, the monitor can reposition up and down with a gentle push. Easily rotate your monitor to landscape or portrait orientations with a quick turn. Simply hold the monitor arm casing on the sides and rotate the monitor into position. Ensure the monitor is raised high enough to clear the work surface and cables have enough slack to complete the rotation. Easily share your screen with a neighbor using the monitor arm's pivot feature. Hold the monitor casing on the left and right and pivot the monitor in the desired direction. If you are using 2 or more monitors, maintain a slight pivot inward to create a viewing parabola for better sight lines. For triple monitor arm configurations, the outside monitors should be positioned toward each other, with the center display positioned flat in front of the user. ESI's monitor arms can tilt up and down to create a comfortable viewing angle for bifocals or a flat writing surface for touchscreen monitors. To adjust the tilt of the monitor, hold the monitor casing from the top and bottom of the display. With tension properly adjusted, the monitor can tilt up or down with a gentle push. Monitor arms that include a slider offer increased flexibility in positioning the monitor to the left and right. Simply hold the monitor casing on the left and right, then move the monitor in the desired direction.